Title: 10 Mind-Blowing Life Hacks That Will Revolutionize Your Routine. Introduction. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have something truly special for you. I've gathered 10 jaw-dropping life hacks that I guarantee you've never seen before. Get ready to have your mind blown as we explore these amazing tips and tricks that will revolutionize your daily routine. Let's dive right in. Life hack number 1. The ultimate DIY smartphone stand. Are you tired of holding your phone while watching videos or video chatting? Fear not. Learn how to create a unique and practical DIY smartphone stand using everyday items found in your home. Life hack number 2. The perfect chip bag clip. Sick of stale chips? Discover a simple yet effective method to seal your chip bags without any fancy gadgets. Say goodbye to rubber bands and hello to the perfect chip-saving hack. Life hack number 3. Instant wrinkle remover. Need to iron a shirt in a hurry? Learn a quick trick to remove wrinkles using an item you probably have lying around. Get ready for wrinkle-free clothes in no time. Life hack number 4. Sneaky key holder. Tired of misplacing your keys? Say goodbye to frantic searches with this clever and inconspicuous key holder that will ensure you always know where to find them. Life hack number 5. DIY cable organizer. Sick of tangled cables cluttering your desk? Discover an ingenious way to keep your cables organized and prevent them from becoming a tangled mess. Say hello to a tidy workspace. Life hack number 6. Instant shoe freshener. Banish smelly shoes with a simple and natural solution. Learn how to make your own shoe freshener using household ingredients that will leave your kicks smelling clean and fresh. Life hack number 7. Quick fix for scratched DVDs. Don't let scratched DVDs ruin your movie night. Uncover a surprising solution to fix those annoying scratches and enjoy your favorite films without any interruptions. Life hack number 8. DIY phone speaker amplifier. Want to crank up the volume on your phone speaker without any external devices? Learn a creative way to amplify the sound using only a common household item. Get ready for an enhanced audio experience. Life hack number 9. Perfectly folded shirts every time. Tired of messy, wrinkled shirts in your closet? Master the art of folding shirts like a pro and achieve perfectly organized and wrinkle-free clothing storage. Life hack number 10. Clever storage solution for plastic bags. Don't toss those plastic bags away. Discover a smart storage solution that will keep your bags neatly organized and easily accessible whenever you need them. Conclusion. There you have it, folks. 10 truly mind-blowing life hacks that will transform the way you go about your daily routine. Which hack was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more incredible content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.